Hi, my name is Benedict Dungo, and I'm here to do laboratory exercise number 4, routing protocol and basic LAN configuration. The objective of this exercise is to configure router connection, construct a LAN-to-LAN connection, design a simple network topology depending on the application. Material we need is Cisco packet tracer. Procedure number 1, open a Cisco packet tracer, connect 3 PC and 1 hub. This will serve as your LAN A. In connecting PC to hub, you can automatically select the appropriate cable type by dragging the cursor in the network component box, and under connection tab, you can select smart connection. Okay. Procedure number 2, the PC in LAN A should have different IP address. For example, PC in LAN A has a IP address of 192.168.1.1, while the other PC, it can be 192.168.1.2, so on and so forth. Configure each PC individual IP address and connect it to the hub. Procedure number 3, choose a router. You can select 1841 router. It will act as router A for LAN A. In the network component box, click on the router. Okay. Construct the network in LAN A as shown below. Okay, we should do that first before we continue. The first instruction is to get a hub. And then select 3 generic PCs, and we configure. Let's see, let's make sure the instruction. Okay, instruction number 2, we should have different IP address on the devices, and let's do that. First we connect them, smart connection. There you go. Smart connection, and there you go. Then we configure the IP address. We go to we move to the where you can see it. There you go. Go to config. Then we write 192.168.1.1, and we go to fast internet 0. We go to 192.168.1.1. We just press tab. There you go. Okay, then we do it here in config. Go 192.168.1.2, fast ethernet 0. Go to 192.168.1.2 and tab. There you go. The next one is PC2. Go config. Go 192.168.1.3. Okay. That's Ethernet 0. Then we go 192.168.1.3. and we tab, and there you go. We already configure. We already put a specific IP address on all 3 PCs devices, and now we'll choose a router, the 1841 router. We go to device, router, we select this one. There you go, 1841 router. We connect it, special cable. As you see, it's still red. We need to configure router 41. Okay, let's see the instruction. Okay, now click on the config mode tab for router 0 to start configuration. After the device has finished booting, change the display name of the router to Cisco 1. Changing the display doesn't affect the configuration. Well, let's do that first. Okay. Config. Wait. We should do this first. Okay. Let's see. Where is it? Config. Display is Cisco space 1. There you go. And the next instruction is click the home. Okay, tap and _1 and click tab key. Note the equivalent iOS command is entered in the lower portion of the window. Okay, let's do that. This one. Just tab. Okay. Yes, Cisco _1. There you go. We did that. Then next instruction, number 8. Click the fast internet 00 and designate an IP address given, for example 192.168.1.1, and click the key tab. Enter the subnet 255.255.255.0. Click the port status to on, making it enable. Okay. Configure. We go to fast internet 0. We press 192.168.1.1. Tab. There you go. It's 2.5 and click on. Okay. And there you go. It's already connected. Now the next one is drag the device to the desired location. Click a new component box, select connection, then select a series DCE connection. After that, click on Cisco 1 router and connect it to serial 0-0 interface. Click the router. Click on the new router, copy Cisco _1 and connect it to serial 0.0/00 interface. Okay, we'll do that. We get another instruction. New one, sorry, location. Okay, we connect it. We change it to okay. As you can see, if you see the config, we don't have a series 00. We're gonna go to physical. We're gonna close the power, and we're gonna add wick -1T component, and we're gonna power it on again. So we go to config. The device is booting. We'll wait for it until it's finished. And so click OK. Now we change this to copy Cisco _1 and click tab. This is Cisco _1. Okay, that's it. And hold on, we also configure this Cisco 1. Okay, we go to physical. Wait, we connect it first so you can see that it's not connecting. We won't be able to connect because okay, go to config, turn it off. Okay, go to wick -1T to connect, power it on, go to config. Waiting it for it to load. Click OK. Okay, we change this to Cisco _1. Now that's done. As you can see, we'll use the serial DCE connector, serial 00 connect to serial 000. Oh, okay. Turn it. Okay. Still have to configure 192.168.1.1. Tab and on. Okay, it's up. Okie dokie. You see this is connected again. Now as you can see, they are red because they're not connected yet. It says here we already copied these network component docs. We already. Then the indication that it is successfully connected is there should be two green light blinking. One is located at the output of Cisco _1, and the other one is in the output of Cisco copy Cisco _1. Okay, we'll do that. We'll configure it again. Okay, we'll configure serial 00 so it will get connected. So we will use an IP address, a different IP address. So it will be 193.168.1.1 tab and on. Okay. Okay. We'll also do it also in copy Cisco. We'll go to serial. We'll use IP address 193.168.1.2. Then tab, then on. Now, as you can see, it's already connected. As you can see, these were red already. Now they're blinking green. Okay. Now we can say Cisco _1 and the other one is now successfully connected. Okay. We'll answer the questions now. Question number 1. What is the importance of routing? The importance of routing is very important because it is the process of moving packet across a network from one host to another. It provides traffic with a gateway with both the internet and the other devices. Okay, question number 2. Why do we need router? We need router because it's the device that basically goes between your end devices that share the internet signal between multiple devices. Its function, a router forward data packets along the network. Why not use switch or hub? Because switch and hub are different from one another and it has its own function. Even the router has a different function. Like I said before, router forward data packets along the network, while switches filter and forward the packet between LAN and segments. And a hub is just a common connection point for devices in a network. Question number 3. Why is it important that each PC has a different IP address? It is important for a PC to have its own IP address because it's a unique identifier and it allows computer to send and receive information to and from specific computer in a given network. In short, if you send an email, it will go directly to that IP address and it won't go any other place. What will happen if we will use same IP address? It breaks network connectivity for one or both of them. And lastly, what can you conclude from this activity? In conclusion, with this exercise, I have accomplished all the objectives. Learn how to configure router connection, construct LAN-to-LAN connection, and design a simple network topology. And this concludes exercise number 4. Thank you.